Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been wondering how can you change your username in your Windows 11 laptop or PC, you came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that and also in different methods. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First let's go to this start button and right click on it and then choose run. And then here write NETPLWIZ. So once you type that in, tap on OK. You should see something that looks like this. Choose the one that you want to change the name of and then go to properties right here and then simply type in the new name that you want, and then you can even under the new name write your full name and even a little description if that's what you want to add. Once you're done, you just tap on OK to save the changes and then you quit and you should be good to go. That's for the first method. If that didn't work for you, you can always go to the search bar here and simply search for control panel, open control panel, open users accounts, should be right there, and then users accounts again, and then you can go ahead and tap on manage another account. So choose the one that you want to change the name of and then tap on change account name or change the account name. That should be at the top right here. Go ahead and tap on it to open it, of course, and then here you type in the new name. As you can see, it's as easy as that. Once you're done, tap on change name to save the changes. Now if this also didn't work for you, you can always quit from here. Now let's go ahead and right click again on the start button, but this time we're not going to choose run. This time we're going to choose terminal. So right click right there and then choose terminal. Wait for it to load up, and once it does, you should type with me the following. So let's go ahead and type get dash local user, enter. It's gonna look like this. As you can see, that's my name and that's true right next to it. Now let's type the following. First you go ahead and type let me see, so it's going to be rename and then dash local user space dash name space quotation mark. Then here you type your current name, so the name that you want to change, and then quotation mark space dash rename and then space quotation mark. Then you write the new name or the name that you want. So let's go ahead and write something like James and then close with a quotation mark and then enter. So once you tap on enter, the new name that is in the second quotation marks is going to be the name that will be your username from now on. So you just go ahead and type the following: rename dash local user space dash name dash quotation mark old name, then rename, then the new name, enter, and you should be good to go. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.